Fun fact, do you know that Malaysia gets an average of 6 hours of sunlight daily? This means we can generate significant powers from the sun. Installing a solar PV system can be expensive, but do you know that there's a rent-to-own option that doesn't require you to pay a single cent upfront and you start saving from day one? Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 126. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. In this video, I'll share my experience owning a solar PV system and total saving as an EV owner. Some background, I bought my first EV last year and charged it exclusively at home. As a result, my electricity bills increased from an average of RM200 to RM350 per month. This sounds like a lot, but I no longer spend RM500 to RM600 on fuel. After over a year of EV ownership, the savings are clear, so we decided to get a second EV. Before that, I was on the fence about whether I should install a solar PV system to save even more. Chips is in my blood. So I explored a few solar companies and stumbled upon EMIT Solar. They offer a zero down payment plan that covers hardware, installation, maintenance and warranty. It's subscription based, just like how we pay for our internet fiber service or water filter. By the way, EMIT Solar is part of Time Group, the same internet service provider company in Malaysia. It's a Malaysia public listed company, so I'm confident and trust it after sales and service. Now back to the solar PV system. I live in a small townhouse with a single phase meter connection. I can only install up to a 6.5 kilowatt system, but due to the roof size limitations, the maximum I can have is 10 panels, which totals a 5.8 kilowatt system. This system comes with a RM220 per month subscription for 10 years. There's also an option of 5 or 7 years terms if you prefer a shorter commitment, but the warranty and service like maintenance are tied to the length of your contract. This system can generate around RM350 to 400 per month depending on the weather and location. The application process was surprisingly fast and I had everything up and running in less than 2 months. The team that assists me promptly follow up with the applications and installation arrangement without the need of me check with them time to time. The site visit was scheduled to 25th July when I fill out all the application forms and provide the necessary documents. The SEDA applications was submitted the following week and approved a week later with the SEDA e-cert. The installation was scheduled 3 weeks later due to the packed installations appointment as the demand increased from the limited NEM quota available. The installation was complete in a single day. The following day, I paid RM10 ringgit to the TMB for the NEM application. There was no need for a meter replacement because my house already had a smart meters that support bi-directional power. After a week of waiting, I received a welcome letter, emails from TMB confirming that the NEM application was approved and that I could turn on the system on 18 September. Disclaimer, I'm not being paid for this, but I have to give credit to the EMIT Solar teams that handle my application, as compared to my friends, some of whom waited almost 5 months or even longer. Now, let's move on to the good part. How much did I actually save? In October, which is the same month I received our second EV, the solar PV system generated about 668 kilowatt hours, exported 590 kilowatt hours, and used about 70 kilowatt hours during the daytime. It could have done better, but October and November had the heaviest rainfall. The total usage was approximately 890 kilowatt hours and 548 kilowatts hours was used to charge both of our EVs. With all the power imports and export, I only needed to pay RM70 in addition to the RM220 monthly subscription. The savings are substantial since our previous fuel costs for both ICE cars were around RM800 to 900. Now I only paying RM290 ringgit, which cover both EVs and home electricity usage. Even if you don't have an EV but have a high electricity bill, you still save right off the bat. Take mine for an example. For 890 kilowatts hour, I would normally have to pay about RM390 ringgit. But now I'm only paying 220 ringgit for the subscription plus RM70 for the excess usage. That's already RM100 ringgit in saving. I'm sure some of you would say paying outright for a solar PV system would give a shorter ROI or much cheaper. Yes, I agree with you, but not everyone has the cash or wants to take on the burden of credit installment. After all, electricity is essential, and I believe electricity will continue to increase in the coming years. Besides, throughout my contract periods, I don't have to worry about warranties and maintenance as everything is covered. After the contract ended, the system and warranty will be transferred to the owner. If your monthly bill exceeds RM350, it's worth considering. Another reason to have it is that the government is offering up to RM4,000 rebate to anyone who install a solar PV system. You can visit emitsolar.com or contact my SA team who manage my solar installation. I'll leave the contact info in the description box. That's all from me about EMIT Solar. If you have any questions, do feel free to drop them in the comment box below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.